Hello, Southeast Texas. Lee Potter here with Josh Smith, Bill Clark Pest Control, and we're here talking about, well, we're going to be talking about a lot about is Maintenance Minute. Josh, man, I've got my own home here in Southeast Texas. What do I need to do to make sure that I don't have any issues with any bugs or anything like that? What would you tell me to do?
Lee, I think the main thing when you're trying to protect any home or business is maintenance. I mean, you have to have preventive maintenance. You want to take care of a problem or a potential problem before it ever starts.
Gotcha. So when you're doing your inspections and you're walking around, you're looking for certain things, right?
Yeah, so we're looking for conducive conditions that could not only lead to pest issues, but also issues for your home. You know, do you have a water leak? Do you have a water heater that's dripping? You know, what's going on? So we take a look for all those things to try to help you.
Gotcha. And so in looking at what you're doing for your pest control, I mean, you're going inside and out, you're going all over the place, right?
Right.
Okay, gotcha. Well, it's kind of like what I do with my air conditioning. When we go to check your air conditioning, we do typically twice a year. We're looking for spring and fall in most cases. We're looking to make sure that the performance of that system is exactly where it needs to be, but we also are walking in and out. We're inside and outside your home. And we're looking for things such as what you're looking for. Hey man, is that a termite deal? Hey, we don't know. We're gonna take a picture of it. We're gonna go to that homeowner, we're gonna say, hey, do you have a pest control company? And if they say yes, we're gonna say, hey, look, do me a favor, give them a call. But you know what, if they don't? We're gonna say, you know what, Bill Clark, they're a good person to start with. I think they can help you out and kind of go from there. That's what we're working on. That's what we're trying to do. A little business to business referral, so to speak, trying to make sure that we get local companies, helping local people, and keeping Southeast Texas where we need to be.
Yeah, Lee, I think that's exactly what you want to do. You want to use somebody you trust, somebody that's local that can take care of whatever you need. And hey, if you have somebody, call them, get them to come out and take care of whatever you want. But you just want to make sure you're protecting your home or your business, having that maintenance program that will protect you from having any issues.
Hey Josh, I'm walking around my house. What is the one thing that I probably, as I'm weed eating around my home, what should I be looking for? What would tell me that I might have an issue with insects?
Yeah. One of the easiest things you can look for when you're going around your home is if you see any kind of dirt or soil that's disturbed around your home. It could mean you have ants coming in your house, could be termites, and you don't have to know what it is, but if you see something like that, just give us a call, we'll come out and take a look.
Do I go up there and if I see it, do I kick it?
You could if you wanted to. I wouldn't suggest it.
Got it.
Wouldn't be a good idea.
'Cause I'm kind of one of those instigator guys. I understand completely. As far as an air conditioning deal, let me give you one of the simplest. Airflow in our industry is the most important thing as far as an air conditioner is. You're in your home and you're watching your TV and all of a sudden your air conditioner comes on and that return air filter starts to whistle, it's probably time to change it. If you're not sure, give us a call. We'll be glad to give an assessment to see if it's either too small, filter's too dirty, what other options do we have, but there's always a way to get through it. And again, like I said, you shouldn't typically have that kind of noise. So those are some great points. I love it. I want to say thank you to Josh and Bill Clark for their professionalism and everything they do. I will tell you, they take care of us. If you need us, look on our website. We're going to build a business-to-business page. We're not going to be exclusive, but we're going to have people that are local, that are reputable, that are BBB accredited, and that those that carry the insurances and everything that they're supposed to, because it's important. You know, that person gets out there that's not accredited and also doesn't have the licensing nor the insurance, can cost you. And that's important to understand. We spend a lot of money to try to make sure that we keep our people safe. We want to keep you safe. Hey, Southeast Texas, this has been our first Maintenance Minute. I want to thank Josh Smith with Bill Clark Pest Control. What a great company. They do a lot of great things for our community. Really looking forward to kicking this off. They kind of guinea pigged this a little bit. This is what we want to do. But this is what it is. We're going to talk about why our businesses are so important to us here in Southeast Texas, why it's so important for you to use businesses around this area that are local, that are here for you, and that we can take care of you. We look forward to our next one. We'll see you soon. Thank you, Southeast Texas.